Hello, this is Teacher Todd, and I've got a short presentation which is about 3 minutes. It's Advanced Scopus. I'm just going to teach you the basics of Advanced Scopus. So let's get started. This is for dummies. It's real simple, easy to follow. It's for dummies like me, and I just have a couple of tips. And one of the issues was I had to search for papers in a group of journals. And another issue was how to filter based on a set of authors. There were no good solutions on the web that I could find. And if you try to do it manually, it's very tedious, which is very boring. So I've got a solution to both, and I want to share it with you. So let's talk about limiting to a set of journals and conferences. If you want to do that, my solution is get the ISSN for each member of the set of journals and conferences, and they normally have two. They have an online and they have a print ISSN, so you need to get both. And then you simply do a Scopus advanced query with those ISSNs as a filter. And since there's two of them for each, you want to use syntax like paren this or that. And this or that means one is going to be the online, one's going to be the print. And it'll make more sense when I show you the syntax. So the syntax I used, I looked in the title abstract keyword for a couple of things that I'm interested in. And then here's the interesting part for this discussion. The ISSN, paren, close paren at the very end, and then you can see the paren here and the paren there. So for the first journal, article, or conference paper, we've got a print and we've got an online ISSN, so we put them both and we put an or in between. Now just so you know, you don't actually have to have the paren here and there, but it's easier to edit your searches if you do that, so I advise you to do it. So you just basically say, here's the first one, either print or online, the second one, print or online, or, as long as you wish, close paren, and that's it. Now I ran into a bug in Scopus, so if you have multi-line, you want to add a blank space to the end of each line. So I'm a nice person, so if you need help, give me a call. I'll try to help you out. And author search is very similar. Sometimes you want to also filter based on the author. So maybe you want to see what your supervisor's published or someone else. And here's a summary of the solution. Do any search at all in Scopus. Manual is fine, and find one of their publications. And then you drill down on the publication and you get their author number. And then you do a new search and you filter based on their author number. And it's very straightforward, just like on the previous slide. This is a syntax. You do the author search, paren, and you can put whatever author numbers you want. You can use ors in between. And that's it. And it's pretty straightforward, but if you need any help, give me a call, send me an email, contact me in Skype, and I'll help you out. I have a lot more to say, but it would take a long time. And I want to keep this one real short, so it's under 4 minutes. So this will at least provide you with some clues, hints, etc. on how to master Scopus advanced searches. Hope it helps you, and feel free to contact me. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.